Hello guys and welcome to our Royal Choice channel.
Best vacuum for hardwood floors and carpet. Welcome to the Royal Choice channel. Today we will see the 5 best vacuums for hardwood floors and carpets. For more information about these products, check out the link in the description below with the updated price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. 1. Hoover FH40160PC Vacuum. Are you looking for a versatile wet and dry vacuum cleaner to remove dry dust and dirt, but also wet debris and spillages? Hoover has designed this amazing cordless hardwood floor vacuum with the patented wind tunnel technology. This deluxe hardwood floor vacuum cleaner is designed to give the best cleaning experience to you. It is built with Spinsker technology, specialty brush for hardwood floors, and a dual tank system, which gives you a deluxe clean where you want. Pros: lighter than its predecessor by 2 pounds. Has a separate brush for the more delicate surface like hardwood. Decent sized water tank, 48 ounces. The clean boost control allows you to apply a little extra detergent for stubborn stains. Has a separate tank for clean and dirty water. Cons: can't vacuum with this. It is purely a bare floor cleaner. Short power cord, only 20 feet. No swivel steering. 2. Bissell 2254 Vacuum. Pet hair, tracked in dirt, kibble, and other debris can quickly make your floors look and feel less than clean. We tested the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Rewind in the lab and at home, and we're very pleased with its performance and features. However, prepare to spend more time than you'd expect to assemble this vacuum. Have a screwdriver handy, too. Our tester felt there were lots of parts and the instructions lacked clarity. It took more than 10 minutes to get the vacuum put together correctly, resulting in a 3-star rating for assembly. On hardwood floors, we were impressed with how well the vacuum picks up debris. It was a 5-star performance and should give you confidence in this vacuum's suction power. If you do plan to use this vacuum on carpeting, it works well but does need more elbow grease on dense carpeting or area rugs. It was given 4 stars for cleaning effectiveness. The supersized dust bin measures 2.2 quarts and is easy to empty according to our testers, adding another 5-star rating to this vacuum's testing report. Pros: tank makes it easy to see when it's time to empty. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. On-board accessory storage. Cons: limited reach under furniture. Power switch placement. 3. Miele Compact C1 Vacuum. The appropriately named Compact C1 Turbo Team Canister Vacuum wowed us with its super quiet operation, powerful suction, and nimble wand. On average, our testing team only had to make 1 or 2 passes over all surfaces to eliminate debris. This resulted in an overall effectiveness rating of 4 stars. Replacement vacuum bags are part of the commitment when choosing this bag canister vacuum, but it helps to know the filter bag capacity is an impressive 3.7 quarts. Plus, there's no chance of spilling dust or dirt when emptying the canister, which is good news for those who suffer from allergies. Due to their design, canister vacuums have a reputation for being quiet, but this Miele model will impress you with its ridiculously quiet operation, according to our tester. Keep in mind that the nearly 15-pound canister rolls along behind you as you vacuum with the wand and floor head attachment. The canister was a lot heavier than we expected during assembly and might be a hassle to haul up and downstairs. It was incredibly easy to reach under furniture and in tight spaces and earned 4.5 stars for maneuverability. It is an excellent choice for ensuring that every inch of your hardwood floors receives a thorough cleaning. Pros: extremely quiet. Easy to get into tight spaces. Plenty of capacity in a vacuum bag. Great suction power. Cons: requires replacement bags. Not a good fit for a home with pets. 4. Vacu S2 Vacuum. The Shark Navigator Vacu is a 2 inches 1 vacuum, which means you can utilize it in upstanding mode or with the canister isolates to get into hard to arrive places. This vacuum is also equipped with swivel steering for excellent control when maneuvering around furniture and has a completely sealed system with HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens. This vacuum is a truly world-class multi-floor cleaner that has a button switch to change the speed of the brush depending on the type of the floor. It is the perfect vacuum cleaner for people who are suffering from asthma that gives comfort and is very convenient. Pros: it has a 30 feet long power, swivel steering, strong suction, easy to assemble, great suction, high capacity dust cup, holds a lot of dirt in the canister. Lift away canister vacuum is very convenient, easy to navigate, steer and turn. HEPA filter means more allergens get trapped. Hard floor attachment is an ice plus. Cons: can't go under low furniture. Poor replacement response system. 5. Eureka New 182 Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka new 182 of power speed receives mainly positive reviews and is praised by many users for being efficient and easy to handle. It has a great and user-friendly dustbin as well, which is easy to empty over a trash can without causing a big mess. Users like the powerful suction as well, and most agree that it offers great value at a relatively low cost. Despite receiving mainly positive reviews, some buyers also thought the noise level was a bit high compared with another vacuum in the same category. It might not be the best choice for medium to high pile rugs either, as it, according to some users, can be quite heavy to push across the floor. It is a bit bulky as well, making it unable to get under some furniture. Despite its few flaws, this vacuum is still a great choice for people seeking a budget-friendly vacuum cleaner. Pros: easy to assemble, powerful suction, extra large dust cup, lightweight design, easy to handle. The quick release handle for above floor cleaning. You can use it on carpets, rugs, hardwood floors, cars, ceilings, lampshades, furniture, and more. All tools are stored right on board. Built-in powerful motor. Lift away overhead and extendable hose. Cons: the design is a bit bulky. Noisy while operating. So this is all about the best vacuum for hardwood floors and carpets. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description.